Hi there. Welcome to Bright Learners. Today, we're going to learn 6 real-life English conversations you can use in your everyday life. Are you ready? Let's get started. At a job interview. Good morning. Please have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you.
Can you tell me a little about yourself?
Sure. My name is Kevin. I recently finished my business degree. I'm a hardworking and friendly person.
What position are you applying for?
I'm applying for the marketing assistant position.
Why do you want to work here?
I like your company. I think it's a great place to learn and grow.
What are your strengths?
I'm good at communication and teamwork.
Do you have any work experience?
Yes. I worked part-time at a coffee shop for 1 year.
Great. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. When will I hear back from you?
We'll contact you next week.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Booking a doctor's appointment. Good morning. This is Dr. Smith's office. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to book an appointment with the doctor.
Of course. What's the reason for your visit?
I have a sore throat and a fever.
Got it. Are you already a patient here?
Yes, I am.
May I have your full name, please?
My name is Jim Allen. That's JimAllen.
And your date of birth?
June 5th, 1988.
Thank you. We have an opening tomorrow at 10 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that's perfect.
Great. Please bring your health card. See you tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
Opening a bank account.
Hello? How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to open a bank account, please.
Sure. Would you like a checking or savings account?
A checking account, please.
No problem. May I see your ID and proof of address?
Yes, here's my driver's license and a utility bill.
Great. Thank you. Please fill out this form. All set. Your new account is ready.
Can I get a debit card today?
Yes, we can issue one right away.
Thanks. I'd also like to deposit this check.
Of course. Please sign the back of the check.
Here you go.
Thank you. The check is deposited. You'll see it in your account within 1 business day.
That's perfect. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Making a new friend.
Hi there. Is this seat taken?
Not at all. Go ahead.
Thanks. It's such a nice day, isn't it?
Yeah, the weather is perfect. I'm Liam, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Liam. I'm Ava.
I come here a lot. How about you?
Not really. I just moved to the area last week.
Oh, welcome. How do you like it so far?
It's really nice. Still getting used to things, though.
If you ever need help or someone to show you around, let me know.
That would be great. Thanks.
Do you want to grab a coffee sometime?
Sure, I'd love that.
Awesome. There's a nice coffee shop just across the street.
That sounds lovely.
Great. I'll text you and we'll figure it out.
Cool. Looking forward to it.
Oh, wait. I just forgot to ask for your number.
At a hotel walk-in booking.
Hi, do you have any rooms available for tonight?
Yes, we do. Would you like a single or double room?
Just a single room, please. How much is it?
It's $120 plus tax. That includes free Wi-Fi and breakfast.
Sounds good. I'll take it.
Great! Do you prefer a room on a higher floor or a lower floor?
A quiet room, please.
No problem. I'll find one away from the street. May I see a photo ID, please?
Sure, here's my driver's license.
Thank you. How would you like to pay?
I'll use my credit card.
Perfect. Please insert your card here. Great. Payment went through. Here's your room key. You're in room 305 on the 3rd floor.
Thank you. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m. tomorrow. Let us know if you need anything.
And will do. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant stay. Ordering food at a restaurant.
Hi there. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have grilled chicken with mashed potatoes.
Got it. And would you like soup or salad with that?
Salad, please.
Great. And for you, sir?
What do you recommend?
Our cheeseburger is very popular.
Sounds good. I'll take the cheeseburger with fries.
How would you like your burger cooked?
Medium, please.
Any drinks?
I'll have an iced tea.
Just water for me, thanks.
Perfect. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you.
How's everything so far?
Delicious.
Could I get extra napkins?
Of course. I'll bring them right over. Would you like any dessert?
I'll have the chocolate cake, please.
I'm fine, thanks.
One chocolate cake coming up.
Excuse me, can we get the check, please?
Sure, here you go.
I'll pay by card.
All set. Thanks. Have a great day.
You too.
Great job today! Don't forget to subscribe for more real English for real life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!